How to make a football club website on Wix. Hello, hope you're doing good. The first thing you will need to do once on Wix.com, you can create your account using your email address. After creating your account, you're going to tap on Create New Site. Then from there, you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. After selecting Set Up Without Chat on the search bar, I want you to type in Football Club. So you can type in Football Club on the search bar right here. After selecting it, you're going to tap on Continue. Then you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your Wix dashboard, you can give your website a name. So you can call your website whatever you want. So you could put in the football team right here. So let's say, for example, I'm creating an Arsenal Football Club website. So I'll type in our Arsenal FC. Then we'll tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you can select the apps that you would like to add. So for example, you have the portfolio app, the events app, you have numerous apps that you can choose from that you can quickly add onto your website. Let's say, for example, we'd like to add the Instagram feed app. After doing that, you'll tap on Continue. Then you'll tap on Continue to Dashboard. Now, once on your dashboard, there are quite a few options that you can explore. For example, you could go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on events, and from there you could create a ticketed event. So you could add in the games, and then from there you could charge persons to come to the game. But before doing that, what I recommend you do is select Set Up in the top left-hand corner, then tap on Design Site in the top right-hand corner. After doing that, you're going to tap on Pick a Template. Now, once you have selected Pick a Template, you will be redirected to the Themes page. And you can see numerous templates that you can choose from. Now let's say, for example, I were to select this template, so we'll tap on Edit. Then you'll be redirected to the Editor page. Once on the Editor page, you'll be able to make changes to the website. You can customize it to your liking. First, we'll close the pop-up box, then tap on the plus 50% in the top right-hand corner. Once you have done that, you can edit the header section. So we could change the vector art by tapping on the vector art and selecting Change Vector Art right here. After doing that, you could choose from any one of the vector arts that are currently here, or you could choose to upload one. So let's say, for example's sake, I'm just going to be choosing a random vector art. Let's say this one, and I'll tap on Add to Page. After doing that, you could change the name by tapping on the name that is currently there. Then we'll tap on Edit Text, and I'm just going to change it to, for example, Arsenal FC. After doing that, you can scroll down and we can continue editing it. And when it comes onto the Wix website, it is quite straightforward and beginner friendly. So let's say, for example, we'd like to change the background image. You will use your mouse and hover over the background image and tap on Quick Edit. Then select Change from the right hand column. After doing that, you can select Image, and you could upload an image by selecting Upload Media. Or we can use a copyright-free image. So let me do that real quick. We could type in soccer right there, and let's see what they suggest. And I'm just going to be using this example. So I'll tap on Change Background. And we can scroll down, and we can continue editing the page. So let's say, for example, this section. You could tap on this section also, and go over to the right hand column, and from there you could make changes. So for example, you could change the images that are currently there. So this is someone's Instagram feed. You could add your own Instagram feed by tapping on Account Settings. After selecting Account Settings, you can tap on Connect, and you could connect your Instagram feed to add it right there. Another thing that you could also do is by going over to the top left hand corner, you can tap on Home, and you can see different pages. So we could tap on Theme. Once on the theme page, you could edit the theme page. So you could change the images that are currently there by tapping on Manage Media. After selecting Manage Media, you can see at the moment there are 8 pictures. To replace the pixel, tap on Replace Image. Then we'll select Media from Wix, as I'm just going to be using some copyright-free images. And let's say, for example, this one, I'll tap on Add to Page. Then we could select this image also, select Replace Image. And again, I'll tap on Media from Wix, and I'm just going to be adding another image. And you can replace all of the images that are currently there with pictures from this section if you want. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Done. After replacing the pictures, all you'll need to do now, we could go over to the top left hand corner once more, tap on theme, and from there you could select another page. So for example, the schedule page. So this is where you'll be able to add the different games that your side or your team, better yet, will be taking part in. So you could tap on quick edit and you could edit this section. You can also tap on field location and you could add in your field location right here by tapping on manage. You could input in your location, and to edit the events right here, what we could do is tap on manage event and it is going to carry us back to our dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you'll select events from the left hand menu option. Then you're going to tap on add new event and you can choose whether it is a ticketed event, meaning you'll be able to sell the tickets or you can offer them for free, or you can choose if it is an RSVP event, but more than likely it will be a ticketed event. After doing that, you can add in the event name. You could also add the event picture right here, so you could upload a poster image. Then you could scroll down and you can select whether it is a single event, meaning a one-off match, or it will be a recurring event that will be kept regularly, or it will be a recurring event. So for example, let's say you'll be having a match every Sunday. You could select recurring event right there. Then you can scroll down, select the location, and you can also add information right there. And you'll be able to sell these tickets to individuals. And to collect the payment, you'll tap on getting paid from the top left hand corner. Then select connect payment method. And from here, depending on the country you're located in, you will see different payment options that you can offer. At the moment, I'm located in Jamaica, so I'll be able to offer customers TiloPay and PayPal. But if I were to change my location to, for example, Canada, so let's do that real quick, you'll realize that I can now offer my customers a different set of payment options. We can offer them Wix, and if I were to tap on see more payment option, we could accept Square, Afterpay, Alipay, Klarna, and so much more. So it varies depending on the country you're located in. Once you're finished setting up the events, you can also go onto the coaches page and you could edit the coaches page by selecting coaches and you could set it up right here. And again, it is beginner friendly. All you have to do is hover over the section, tap on quick edit, then go over to the right hand column and you can edit each section just like that. So you could edit the text and you can also change the title, the name, and the images. Once you are finished doing that, you will tap on preview in the top right hand corner. Then once it is to your liking, you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner and your website will now be live. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.